Hello, I'm Echo, and I'll be narrating She Predicted the Future of Cities. And it's wild. Susannah Hagan, FRSA, born 1951, is the founding director of RED Research into Environment Plus Design and professor and school research leader at the Royal College of Art School of Architecture. She has written and lectured extensively on the theory and practice of environmental design, in particular, environmentally led urban design. Hagan's major publications include City Fights, Debates on Sustainable Cities, James and James, Science Publishers, London 2000, Taking Shape, A New Contract Between Architecture and Nature, Architectural Press, Oxford 2001, and Digitalia, Architecture and the Environmental, the Digital and the Avant-garde, Routledge, London 2008. Now let's delve into the life of the visionary who shaped our urban landscapes. Hagan was born in London and raised in England and the United States. She studied English and French literature at Yale University in New Haven, Connecticut, receiving a Bachelor of Arts with honors degree in 1973. She then moved to New York City, where she attended the Graduate School of Architecture at Columbia University, earning a Master of Architecture degree in 1978. As part of her architectural studies, Hagan spent a year abroad as an exchange student at the Architectural Association School of Architecture in London. Susannah Hagan moved from United States to London in 1991 to pursue her studies in architectural history and theory, first at the Architectural Association Graduate School and then at Birkbeck, University of London. In 1999, Hagan was awarded a Doctor of Philosophy degree from the University of London. In 2002 and 2003, she pursued postdoctoral research at the University of Cambridge, completing the Master of Philosophy program in Environmental Design and Architecture. She taught on the faculty of the Environment and Energy Master's Program at the Architectural Association from 1996 to 2002, and in 2002 was invited to set up a new master's program at the University of East London. The MA Architecture, Sustainability Plus Design was the first to completely integrate the relevant technology and social theory with design. From 2009 to 2011, Hagan was Professor of Urban Studies and Director of the Office of Spatial Research at the University of Brighton. Her work with RED includes Emptying Cities, Wuppertal, Germany, 2004-5, Research by Design into the Problem of Shrinking Cities, Post-Industrial Cities Losing Population. Interlude 1, Environmentally Led Urban Design, Sao Paulo, Brazil, 2005-7, a pilot research project with the LCAE, University of Sao Paulo, involving environmentally led urban design on a large brownfield site earmarked for development by the city of Sao Paulo. And Interlude 2, Royal Docks, London, 2007-8, research by design into an environmentally led spatial planning on a high-risk floodplain in the Thames Gateway. In addition to her books on the relationship between environmental design and contemporary architecture and urban design, Hagan has also contributed to numerous others, including Nature, Landscape and Building for Sustainability, University of Minnesota Press, Minneapolis, 2008, and Ecological Urbanism, Lars Mueller Publishers, Baden, 2010, and to journals ranging from the Architectural Review to the Harvard Design Magazine. She has lectured internationally, including the Union of Baltic Cities Commission on Urban Planning, the annual NUTAU Conference, Sao Paulo, the Moderna Museet, Stockholm, and the Victoria and Albert Museum, London. Now let's explore the awards and recognition that followed her groundbreaking work. Hagan is a Fellow of the Institute for Urban Design, New York, and a Fellow of the Royal Society for the Encouragement of Arts, Manufactures and Commerce, RSA, and a member of the International Development Network, the Royal Town Planning Institute, and the Newham Borough Design Review Panel. Hagan was a finalist in the 2008/9 James Sterling Memorial Lecture Competition. In September 2010, the Seed Catalog, an urban design competition entry submitted by Hagan, Silvio Caputo, and Mark Gatterell, was premiated in the International Integrated Habitats Design Competition. City Fights, Debates on Sustainable Cities, James and James, Science Publishers, London 2000, co-editor and contributor with Mark Hewitt. Taking Shape, The New Contract Between Architecture and Nature, Architectural Press, Oxford 2001. More with Less, MCA Mario Cusanella Architects, Integrated Design or the Art of Both / and Mandragora SRL, Florence 2002, Digitalia. Architecture and the Environmental, the Digital and the Avant-garde, Routledge, London 2008. CPULS Continuous Productive Landscapes, edition André Villejeune, Plant It, Architectural Press, Oxford 2005. Material Matters, edition Katie Lloyd Thomas, The New and the Renewed, Routledge, London, 2006. Nature, Landscape and Building for Sustainability, edition William Saunders, 5 Reasons to Adopt Environmental Design, University of Minnesota Press, Minneapolis, London, 2008. Skidmore, Owings and Merrill Journal, Sustaining Architecture During a Revolution, eds. Juhani Pallasmaa, Kenneth Frampton, New York, 2008. Ecological Urbanism, Harvard Graduate School of Design, Performalism. Environmental Metrics and Urban Design, Lars Muller Publishers, Baden, Switzerland, Nov 2009. Harvard Design Magazine, 5 Reasons to Adopt Environmental Design, Spring/Summer 2003, edition William South. Saunders, Harvard University Graduate School of Design, Boston. Building Material, edition Gary Boyd, Shiny or Is New Always Better, issue 12, autumn 2004, Architectural Association of Ireland, Dublin. Harvard Design Magazine, New and Post-Urbanisms, May 2005, edition William South. Saunders, Harvard University Graduate School of Design, Boston. Ehitukunst, edition Ep Langkotz, 5 Reasons to Adopt Environmental Design, Latvian translation, February 2007. Archite Termuseet Yearbook, Global Cities, The City as Artificial Ecology. Performativity and Productivity in the Sustainable City, Stockholm, 2008. Dr.